Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to log into your Scrabble application. So let's jump right into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open your Scrabble application from your app drawer and you'll be able to see this interface. To log into your account, you can go ahead and tap on the Facebook Play with Friends icon, play as a guest, or sign in with your Apple ID if you're using an iOS device. Select any one options to get logged into your account. In today's video, I'm going to choose the Facebook option, so let me tap on Facebook option at the top in orange. Soon after you tap on the option, you'll be able to see this pop up where you'll need to tap continue. It'll then take you to facebook.com website. Go ahead and enter your mobile number or your email address followed by your Facebook account's password. Once you enter your credentials, tap log in and then tap on the continue button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log in to Scrabble via Facebook and you'll be able to find yourself in the main homepage. So that was how you can easily log in or sign in to Scrabble. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.